when your nose itches, but you don't want to touch it because you don't want to mess up the foundation, because you know at the end of the day this whole area is gone. You do the I Dream of Jeannie and you wiggle that nose, even though everything else around your face wiggles before you know. Welcome back to my channel, loves. It's been a while. I have not filmed in probably over a week and a half, maybe even longer than that, it feels like, because I did have a video that I filmed that I just uploaded right before this one. So if you want to see it, it'll be linked in the little iCard, or just click on my name and it takes you to my page and bam, it's right there. But I've been really busy, like really busy with things, like I said in the previous video, with my plumbing and all that. I got it fixed. Thank God my husband is very handy, so he fixed it. So it's all fixed and I was able to wash a lot of clothes and stuff, and so that's the good part. Other than that, I've been feeling better too. I guess one thing that I will mention to anybody is that if you are going through it and you keep thinking negative or you keep being sad about a situation, it's going to make you feel worse. Like you can literally stress yourself out to the point that you start to feel sick. So sometimes I have to like take certain sadness, like especially losing my parents, and put it away. And I hate it because I feel like I'm locking them in a little room and throwing away the key just so I don't look at it or think about it. But it's the only way that I can stay sane. And if it helps you to do that, go ahead and do it. Don't feel bad about it. No matter what, they're in my thoughts every day. So even if I put it over there, it's still here. It's still here. But I'm doing much better. So thank you for all that written me and asking me and hoping that I was doing good. I'm doing way, way better. This look right here though, let's get into that. This look, I did it because I ended up getting these little color extensions from Hairdo, and I wanted to do a little like Coachella look. So I figured Coachella. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to do a little look, and I figured I need to incorporate the colors that I have here and maybe just add other colors that I feel like look nice. So that's what I did. You guys ever played with, like, when you have extensions, you start playing with your hair? Yeah, I'm sorry. Let me stop. Anyway, if you guys like this look and you want to see how I created it, it's actually not that hard. Except that we have uneven eyes. So this one looks like it has a little space here where this one looks like a big space. But it's because I swear this eye is like this. I can't do anything about that. It's not perfect, but it's because I'm that beautiful in that perfect face. So if you have a face that, you know, it's not perfectly aligned, no worries. Don't feel bad about it. Do you? So let's go ahead and get started. I want to make a quick video for you guys. And for those that like long videos, don't worry, I got one for you. Okay? Stay tuned. Watch out. Okay, I'm losing. Can we like hit pause maybe? Like right there.
'cause I don't think that I have it in myself to keep it letting go. You hold me real tight, kiss me hard another time. Be my fire for tonight, and then I'll let you go. Crystal skies, crowded places, lonely faces, howling wind in those eyes, desperation, hesitation for the wind, running from the darkness of the night. We'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark the break of dawn. We can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold. From the darkness of the night, we'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark a break of dawn. We can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold, just like gold.
So this is my look. This is my my little Coachella type look, because I ended up getting these color strips hair extensions. They're little clip-on ones from Hairdo, and I needed to do a look, and I decided, why not do a video and do a little Coachella look, because you know I've been really bad on uploading to YouTube, so I'm trying to get my act together. I was really busy with so many reviews and products and things that I had to do last week that it was really difficult for me to film. But I'm here. And I did use the James Morphe palette. I will link down below what colors I use, but I will tell you this much, or maybe I might insert it into the video, you know, like clips of it. We'll see. I will tell you that this white left me very, very disappointed. So I had to go into the Riviera palette and use their white, and this one is amazing. I popped in the yellow from the Morphe, but then I went in with this beautiful yellowish gold just to like give it a little more pop. It really didn't do much, but I could see a little shimmer when I'm here looking. Everything else I'm gonna go ahead and link below. I'm trying to do this like a little quick videos for those that don't want to be here forever, and then for those that love to hear me, you know, blabber away, then don't worry, I got long videos for you as well. But these lashes, last thing, Fuego lashes, I think they were like $7, and I got them in 3 days. So I was like, okay, real good. They're beautiful. They're big and luscious. These are tequila. I ended up getting Despacito. I did put it on my Instagram, but in a story, I like those a little more because these are more extravagant. But these are good for an extravagant look, obviously. As far as everything else, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and link it below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button and that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. Other than that, take care. And don't forget that every negative moment has a positive one. So stay positive, guys. Take care. Again. Oh my goodness. I love it. This. I feel so like, I don't know. I feel festive. La 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 la. Yeah. This is what happens when you're alone. Like, you just start talking to people.